Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable low power mode on your Apple MacBook Air M4. If you want to manually enable it, all you have to do is just tap on the battery icon on your menu bar and then click the low power icon to enable the low power mode. Alternatively, you can go to battery settings, and in battery settings set one of these three values for low power mode, either to have it always enabled or only on battery or only on power adapter. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.